Hello all together, it's Gary on Adventure. I'd like to welcome you to this short clip, which I have started because I got a small nice gadget by Carpe Iter. They informed us a few weeks ago that they are inventing their very own next generation dashboard for the Carpe Iter. And as you know, Betsy uses the Carpe Iter BMW HUB and controllers, and that's what this system uses to collect the informations of the bike. So as Betsy, for example, hasn't got an OBD2 connector, it's only an OBD1, I couldn't use a dongle to get all these informations. But with this situation, with the new dashboard, this will work. So let me show you a shiny small clip about the new dashboard, what it looks like, what it will be looking like. There will be a lot of changes still to do on it. And yes, just have a look and enjoy. So here we are. That's my Carpe Iter, as you all know about it. Let's set this up for you guys so you can see it a little better. Okay, so to start the dashboard itself, we open the app, which is here now, and that's the dashboard. What you can see is that this software collects your information about the RPM, the actual gear. You can see the speed, throttle percentage, water temperature, and some trip informations. There will be the navigation area. You will have the possibility to select your favorite apps. You can start your music here. You can set up the program itself. There will be the max RPM to set up, and which controller you're using, units like kilometers or time, and so on. So that's the actual situation. I'm pretty impressed about it, and hopefully we'll have it all together soon. So stay tuned for more with Gary on Adventure.